Good morning, dear students. I will give answer the following from chapter 7. Lesson 7. Conservation of plants. Answer the following answer 1. First question is the mention the two aims of conservation. So, aims of conservation. Aims of conservation. Aims of conservation. Aims of conservation. You can refer page number 82. It is given in the page number 82. It is given in the page number 82. You can write from page number 82 also. To preserve the quality of environment, first one is the to preserve the quality of environment. To preserve the quality of environment, that is maintain a pollution free environment. That is maintain a pollution free environment. Free environment. Second one is the second aim, to ensure a continuous yield. To ensure a continuous yield. To ensure a continuous yield of useful plants, animals and materials for generations to come. Materials for generations to come. To ensure a continuous yield of useful plants, animals and materials for generation to come. Next question is the outline importance of biodiversity. Importance of biodiversity. Importance of biodiversity. Answer number 2. The variety of organism organisms, that is plants, animals and microorganism existing on earth, existing on earth, its It is important. Its importance is to. Its importance is to. Its importance is to maintain the ecological ecological balance of the nature. Ecological balance of the nature. Ecological balance of the nature. To preserve the first question is the to preserve the quality of environment, that is maintain a pollution free environment, to ensure a continuous yield of useful plants, animals and materials for generations to come. The variety of organisms, that is plants, animals and microorganisms existing on earth. Its importance is to maintain the ecological balance of the nature. This is first and second. Now come to the question number 3. What are the factors which have caused loss of What are the factors which has caused of loss of biodiversity? Answer number 3. A number of factors. A number of factors. A number of factors. A number of factors responsible for loss of biodiversity. A number of factors responsible for loss of biodiversity. For loss of biodiversity. So biodiversity. Deforestation. Excessive grazing. Deforestation, excessive grazing and construction of cities and construction of cities, dams, industries are some of the reasons. Habitat destruction occurs. Habitat destruction occurs due to these activities. Three is a number of factors responsible for loss of biodiversity. Deforestation, excessive grazing and construction of cities, dams, industries are some of the reasons habitat destruction occurs due to these activities. What are the consequences of deforestation? What are the consequences of deforestation? Answer 4. Consequences of deforestation. Consequences of deforestation. Consequences of deforestation, you have to refer page number 82. Consequences of deforestation, refer to page number 82. Refer to page number 82. You have to write from page number 82. You have to write from page number 82. Write a brief note on Project Tiger. Write a brief note on Project Tiger. Answer 5. Note on Project Tiger. Note on Project. Write a brief note on Project Tiger. Refer page number 85. Refer page number 85. Page number 85. Page number 85. Refer to page number 85. You have to write till here. Project Tiger is one of the successful operations launched by the Government of India to protect tiger in the country. The objective of the project was to ensure the survival and maintenance of tiger population in the country. There were about 40,000 Bengal tigers in 1910. There was a sharp decline in their number to 1827 in 1972. The main reason for the extinction of tigers are hunting, deforestation and taming of rivers for human needs. Till here you have to write in Project Tiger. For Project Tiger you have to refer page number 85. Next question. What are the different protected areas? Write briefly about each of one of the protected areas. Protected areas. Till here you have to write in copy. Till question number 5 you have to write in copy, and question number 1, 2, 3 and 4. Yesterday I have given multiple choice, fill in the blanks and all, and today I have given till question number 5. So till question number 5 you have to complete and you have to write in copy, and it should be neat and clean. Multiple choice, no need of write in copy. Fill in the blanks, you have to write in copy. True false you have to write in copy. Match the statements, you have to write in copy. If it is given true false also you have to write in copy. Only multiple choice questions you have to, no need of write in copy. So this till question number 5 you have to complete it.